all I can do to kind of just try not to pierce the thread with the needle coming through. Cast is that. Alright, string is okay. I think we got it in spite of ourselves. This could be one of those. You tell me. Oh, you did. I did it. I did pierce it. Oh, crap. Oh, Lord, please help me, because now I got to do something. Child of forever. Oh, this is the last hole, and then I have to do a couple of double backs, which is not easy. Did it take? Well, it's done. That is it. It came out pretty good. Not too bad. Now we'll put neat's foot oil on it. And that'll just darken everything up and then give it a nice sheen. But this part down here, this turned out a lot better than I thought it would. That was kind of problematic for a while. The actual compartment is a little looser than I planned. So all I did was I cut a piece of leather to size, length and width in there, and I slid it in there so it lifts it up a little, and now it's just right, just the way I want it.